Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to see non-restoring division algorithm. The same example is taken here as we have seen in a restoring algorithm, where we have a dividend, that is 8, it is stored in a Q register, divisor which is 3, which is stored in the M register, and accumulator is having value 0 0 0 0. So this is 4-bit, and why the accumulator is having 5 bits? Because we want to store the sign of the result, so that's why the extra bit is taken as a 5th bit. Okay, so let's find out what algorithm says. The algorithm is consisting of 2 steps, but step 1 is consisting of 3 different things that we have to perform. So it is totally depend on some decision values of sign of the A. Okay, so sign of A is 0, means what? The result of A is positive, means sign is positive. Then we have to shift A and Q to the left, and we have to subtract the value of M, that is divisor is subtracted from accumulator. Okay, otherwise check the sign of A is 1. If it is 1, then shift A and Q to the left and add M to A, means what? It is totally depend on the sign bit. So if it is positive, we have to subtract. If it is negative A, then we have to add M to A. And one more thing we have to do, that is, when we shift some A and Q to the left, one vacant place is created at the Q, so that Q should be filled with some decision. If A bit is 0, the sign bit of A is 0, then we have to set the Q0 bit as a 1. If A is equal to 1, we have to set Q0 as a 0. So it is very simple thing. Now what happens in step number 2? If sign of A is 1, add M to A. Okay, that is very important, and this second step is performed after all n cycles are performed. So initially we have to perform step number 1 for repeated number of times, and after we are getting the final stage, we have to add the M to A. Okay, so that is the last step of the algorithm. Now let's find out how this works with the example. Initially we know that the accumulator is having 5-bit zeros, and this Q stores the dividend, and this M stores the divisor. Now the first step is check the sign of A. Sign of A, which is 0, means it is positive. Shift A and Q to the left and subtract M from A. So this whole number is shifted to the left. So this 0 is shifted here, so it is discarded. This 0 shifted here, this 0 shifted here, this 0 is here, this 0 is here, and this 1 is shifted here, and this 0 0 0, and this place is vacant. So as sign bit is 0, we have to subtract the M. So subtraction of M means subtraction of divisor from accumulator, but actually we are doing the addition of 2's complement of M. So this addition means this is 2's complement of M, which is added with the accumulator. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And now check this. If this bit is 1, what we have to do is, if A is 1, then set Q0 as a 0. So 0 is written over the Q0 location. Okay, so this is what the first cycle. After this, now we move to the second cycle. Now check the sign of A. What is sign of A? The sign of A is negative. So sign of A is 1. Shift A and Q to the left. So shift A and Q to the left. So this one is shifted here, this one is shifted here, this one is shifted here, this one is shifted here. This 0 is here, 0 is here. Now imagine or consider this 0 is discarded because it is out of the scope. So this 1 is discarded, and we are getting 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, and this is the 0 that is generated previously. Okay, after this what we have to do is add M to A. Add M to A because we have sign as a negative sign. Okay, so here we are adding plus 3. So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 1. So this is what the result, and check the result. If result of A is 1, what we have to do is we have to set Q0 to 0. Okay, now next, this is again second cycle, and now move to the third cycle. Check the sign bit of the result, it's a minus. So first thing is what, we have to shift it to the left. So this one is shifted here, that is discarded. This one is here, this one is here, this one is here, this one is here, this 0 is here, this 0 is here, this 0 is here, this 0 is here, and one more vacant place has created at the Q0. Okay, so as this result is minus, or it indicates 1, so we have to add M to A. So we are adding M to A. So this is 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 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 1. So carry is discarded because only we are storing 5 bits. Okay, now this bit is what, this bit is 0. What happens with this bit? So sign of is 0, shift A and Q to the left and subtract the M value. So shift operation, this shifted here, this bit is shifted here, this is shifted here, this is shifted here, this one is here, this 0 is here, 0 here, 0 here, and 1 here. One place is vacant. Okay, and now as this sign is 0, we have to replace it to the 1. Okay, now this 0 0 0 1 0 is added, or because of this bit is 0, we have to subtract M from A. So we have to subtract it, means adding 2's complement. So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1 1. So this is 1. Restore it as a 0. So finally we got a quotient, and we know that there are 4 cycles are completed, and after the 4th cycle we have to stop, because we know that the quotient is having 4 bits. So we have to make a cycles for the 4 times. So here we are getting a quotient, that is 0 0 1 0. And now what, the remainder, to get the actual remainder, if sign of A is minus or it is 1, then add M to A. So we are considering that after full cycle accumulator is having 1 1 1 1 1. So to get the correct remainder, we have to add the M to A. So we are adding M. So this is M. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, and that is discarded because only 5 bits are stored in accumulator. So this is what 0 0 0 1 0, and that is remainder of this algorithm. So what is advantage of this algorithm over restoring algorithm? In previous algorithm, what we have to do is we have to restore the accumulator again and again to get the correct result. Okay, so this restoring is removed here. We have to consider only the sign bits, and we are just adding and subtracting the accumulators with the appropriate M values. Okay, so restoring is not there, and it is somewhat advancement on the restoring algorithm, where we are not going to restore accumulator again and again. We are just carry forward the accumulator and decide when to subtract and when to add the M value. Okay, so this is what one of the advancement in the restoring algorithm. Thank you.